Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of how to mute call ringtones on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Step 2. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a three-dot icon. Tap on it to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the app's settings page. Step 4. Once you're in the settings, scroll down a bit and tap on the option labeled Notifications. Step 5. Under the Notifications section, find the Calls category. Here you'll see an option called Ringtone. Tap on it. Step 6. A list of ringtone options will appear. To mute the call ringtone, simply select None from the list. And that's it. You've successfully muted the call ringtone on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.